Name is Rohit. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about dictionaries and its built-in functions in Python programming language. Now I am going to show you how to create a dictionary and what are the built-in functions and how each and every built-in function is going to work in the case of a dictionary data structure. Now, before going into the video, I would like to apologize for not making videos since past 1 month, as I was busy with my personal work and my professional work. And I also would like to inform, and I'm also happy to inform you that I am coming up with a new playlist for statistics wherein I'll be covering the both theoretical as well as the practical implementation of statistics using Python programming language. Now, what is a dictionary? A dictionary is a type of a data structure which is a collection of key value pairs separated by comma and enclosed within the curly braces. If we have a look at it, now we can create a empty dictionary in two different ways. One is by using curly braces and another one is by using a built-in function called as dict. So I'm creating a dictionary one, dict1, and which is empty. So if I try to run this is a first empty dictionary which I've created, and this is the first way. And the second way is by specifying simply curly braces, and this is my second empty dictionary which I've created. Now every data structure will have different built-in functions supported. Now in order to check what are the built-in functions that are supported by dictionary, there is a one more built-in function called as dir, which will give us a list of all the built-in functions that is supported by dictionary. Let us have a look at all the built-in inbuilt functions by executing this line of code. So once we execute this line of code, when you scroll down, we will be having a list of all the built-in functions like clear, copy from keys, get, items, etc. Now we are going to discuss each and every built-in function clearly. Now here I am creating a dictionary with the key value pairs like name is a key and value is Rohit Sanam. Designation is a key and the value is data scientist. Mobile number is a key, 12345 is a value to it. Now I have created. Now if I want to check whether this particular dictionary is got created or not, then in that case if I execute like this line of code, then it is going to give us the dictionary with the key and a value. Now here I am creating a new variable known as dict4, wherein I am copying the elements or the key value pairs in present in dict3. So when we try to access dict3 and dict4, the both the dictionaries should have same key and value. But what does this dot copy function does is it will create a shallow copy of the dictionary, of the original dictionary. What is the difference? What is a shallow copy? So in Python there are two different types of copies. One is a shallow copy and another one is a deep copy. What is the difference between the two? The main difference between shallow copy and deep copy is, in shallow copy, whenever a change or whenever we change or modify the original data structure, that may be list, dictionary, anything, if we make any changes to the original one, the changes made to the original one will not get reflected in the copied version of the data structure. But whereas in deep copy, if any changes made to the original one, the same change will get reflected in the copied version also. So here I am going to do a shallow copy of dict3 and I am going to store the same dictionary in the variable dict4. Now if I have a look at dict3, it is having the elements of name, designation and mobile number. Now I am going to change the name from Rohit Sanam to Rohit Sanam Venkata. So in in dictionaries, if you want to access the value, we have to access it by using the key itself. So here the key is nothing but the name, so I'm using name here in order to access this particular value. But here what I'm changing is wherever the key is equal to name, I want to have that particular value as Rohit Sanam Venkata instead of Rohit Sanam. So when I try to execute this one, it gets executed successfully, and when I will have a look at the dict3, I'll be having, instead of Rohit Sanam, I'll be having Rohit Sanam Venkata. Now if we execute dict4, then dict4, then what it is going to give us is name as Rohit Sanam instead of Rohit Sanam Venkata, designation as data scientist, and mobile number as so and so. So according to the definition of shallow copy, the modifications or changes made to the original version or original dictionary will not get or is not getting reflected here in the copied version of the dictionary. Now from keys, what does is from keys does is, so dict4 dot from keys of dict2, when I try to run this, it is going to give us a, so actually what this from keys, what it has to do is it has to give a list of all the keys, but as the dictionary2 is an empty dictionary, it is going to give us an empty dictionary. Now there is one more method or function, this is called as a method called as get function. Previously I have told you that in order to access the value of a particular key, then in that case we have to use the key value. So dot get will take an argument called as the key. Here the key is nothing but the name. So if at all I execute this line of code, that is dict4 dot get of name, then it is going to return a Rohit Sanam. Now dict4 dot items, whenever we use the items function, in this item this is going to return a list of tuples, wherein it is going to have both key and value in one tuple. So it is going to give us like this, where it is a list, wherein the list of tuples, wherein name is the key and Rohit Sanam is the value, designation is the key, data scientist is the value, mobile number is the key, 12345 is the value. dict4 dot keys, whenever we use the keys function, it is going to give only the keys. Next, coming to pop is used to remove a key value pair from the particular dictionary. If in pop I have given a key, that is mobile number. I want to remove mobile number from my existing dictionary. So when I try to execute this particular line of code, it is going to return the value of this particular key mobile number. So 12345 is the value of this key mobile number. When I try to access dict4, it is going to we are going to get a dictionary wherein mobile number is removed. Pop item, what it does is, it is also used for removal of key value pair, wherein this pop item is going to remove the key value pair which is present in the last position. So as designation is the last key value pair which is present in dict4 after removing mobile number. That is the reason it is whenever we use a pop item function, in that case it is going to remove this designation data scientist, and as pop returns the key value pair or the element which is being removed. Now when we access dict4, we are going to have only one key value, that is name Rohit Sanam. Now set default as in, it is going to return the value of the key that is being specified as an argument to this set default function. So if I want subject, when I try to run this, it is going to get executed successfully, and in name Rohit Sanam and subject is none. Why it is giving as none? Because this particular key was not present previously. But if I give a set default of name, then it is going to return the value of this particular key. Now I want to give this particular subject key a value, that is for this subject I am giving a value of big data. When I try to run this and when I try to access dict4, we are going to have two key value pairs, one is name and another one is subject, where name is Rohit Sanam and subject is big data. dict4.update, this update function is used to update a key value pair. For example, here the name is Rohit Sanam, but I want the name to be Rohit Sanam Venkata. So that is the reason I am using update function, wherein I am updating from Rohit Sanam to Rohit Sanam Venkata. So when I try to run this, it gets executed, and when I try to access dictionary 4, in that case I am going to get Rohit Sanam Venkata instead of Rohit Sanam. and the subject will be big data as it is. And the clear function here is used to clear the entire contents, or it is going to remove all the key value pairs that are present in the dictionary 4. So when I try to access dictionary 4, dict4, it is going to give us a empty dictionary. So these are the different types of built-in functions that are supported by dictionary. And to reiterate, a dictionary is nothing but a type of data structure which is a collection of key value pairs separated by comma and enclosed within the curly braces. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, and hit the bell icon for more notifications and videos. And if you have any doubts in this particular video or any of my previous videos, please do reach out to me on my email address given in the description of this particular video. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with the new videos, and I'll be also coming up with the new playlists. Please do subscribe. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.